Hello friends, welcome to FastCoder 21 free medical coding YouTube channel. In today's session, we are going to see medical coding, billing, nursing, pharma jobs. Nearly we are going to check 40 jobs. So guys, I have one request. So whenever you see the jobs here, if you are in India, don't post or don't apply for USA or UAE jobs. If you are in USA, apply for USA job. If you are in UAE or Dubai, apply for those jobs. So if you are in India, don't apply for USA and UAE. So if you like this session, please click on like button. So this will motivate me to provide more valuable sessions. So first we have one walk-in drive for Cotivity. So they are having walk-in drive on 14th October. So they have provided their criteria here and provided address also. You can directly go to Cotivity. Next, we are having RadScribe. They are having experienced medical transcriptions openings. So you can apply using the email provided. So next one is for Chirag Health. So they are looking for Delhi, Noida and Gurugram. So you can apply using the scan provided here. So next one is for Grace Medicode. So they are having walk-ins 9 to 13th of October. So they have provided their email here or address also. So you can contact them using these details. So next one is Nath Healthcare. So they are looking for HR generalist. So you can apply using the provided email. So next one is for Ashton EHS. So they are looking for home health medical coders. They have provided their email ID here. You can apply using that. So next one is for emergency medicine specialist. So they have provided their website here. You can apply using that. So next one is for APIA. So they are looking for senior medical claims officer. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply using that. So this is already we have discussed Cherokee Health. So they are having walk-in drive on October 14th. So you can apply for those using the scan. So next one is for Hyderabad chapter is going to have IC10 CM 2024 key updates on 14th October. So you can apply using the QR code here, and I will provide the Google Forms link in the description of this video. So next one is for IKS Health. So they are looking for clinical documentation specialist. So they have provided their mobile number, email. As usual, you can apply for that. So next one, we have checked this one already. So next one is for Ardo one. So they are looking for staff nurse. They have provided their email ID here and mobile number also. You can apply using those. So next one for Mediscript. So they are looking for medical biller. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using that. So next one is for this is walk-in interview for health like hetero. So they have provided their address and website also. You can apply using the provided details. Next, we are going to see some more jobs here. So this is for UAE. So they have provided their email ID here. You can apply using the email ID. So next one is for Chirag Health. So they have provided their email ID. So they are having 14th October walk-in. So I will provide the link in the description of this video. So next one is for Hyderabad chapter AEPC free webinar. So I'll provide the link in the description. You can use that link for registration. So next one is for Corowealth is hiring SCC coders. They have provided their mobile number. You can contact them. Next one is for Columbus Healthcare Services Private Limited, Chennai. They are looking for IPDRG coder. They are provided email address as well as the mobile number here. So this is for EMP claims, Ahmedabad. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply. So next one is for Sagility. So they have provided their email ID. You can apply. So next one is for V Health Technologies. So they have provided their email ID and mobile number. You can apply. So next one is for AR callers. So Covenant India. So they have provided their mobile number and email ID. You can apply. So next one is for FHRM Gurugram. So they are looking for senior coders. They have provided their mobile number. You can apply. So this is for SCC experience coder, Medicare Healthcare. They have provided their mobile number. You can apply using that. So next one is for October. This is for Judge Group USA job. So don't apply for this job. If you are in USA only, you can apply for this job. They have provided their email ID. You can apply using that. So thank you guys. Thanks for visiting Fast Coder 21. If you like this session, please click on like button, comment and share with your friends who are looking for job change. Thank you guys.